Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you are looking at the Glocusent LED neck reading light and you're wondering about replacing the battery or getting batteries for it. So a couple of things. First of all, this neck light comes with batteries built into the light. So you don't need to buy any extra batteries or anything like that. Also, in the same vein, you cannot replace these batteries. They're built into it. It's a lithium battery that is built into the neck reading light. It is rechargeable via a USB cable, and it can't be replaced. Now, these are only about 20 bucks. So, when the battery eventually goes dead, but it'll do a lot of cycles. It'll last for years of light cycling. When it eventually does, you can just buy a new one. And actually, if you're interested in getting one of these, they're about 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll go ahead and drop a link in the description where you can find out more about them. And then also, if you want to order one, you can go ahead and order it off of Amazon. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.